Hi, welcome to another episode on the Mathemagic channel. Today I'm going to show you one more way to multiply numbers. So we know the column method. Let's try this using the column method. 4 8s are 32, 3 8s are 24 plus 3, 27. This is how we usually learn it. There is another method which is more visual because there are learners of different types. Some students prefer to see it visually to be able to conceptualize it. So how we do it using this method, which is called the array method or even the box method. So I will write 341 as its place values, which is 340 and 1, and I'm multiplying it by 8, which I will put here. Now again, multiplying by zeros makes it easier. 300 into 8 is 2400, 40 into 8 is 320, 1 into 8 is 8. Now what you need to do is just add these numbers. So you can see even if I just look at it, 2400 plus 320 plus 8, yes, it is 2728. Now this may seem very simple. This method works better in fact for more complicated equations. We are just learning how to do it. So I have taken a simple number. We'll take another example maybe with a 2-digit number, maybe 82. Now this is where I find that students get confused. You either put a cross here or a 0 and then you start from the tens place for the next when you're multiplying by the tens place. Many students forget to do this and then make a mistake. Now here this would be 8, 4 8s are 32, 24 plus 3, 27, which gives me 27,962. Now the same thing, we'll keep this in our mind, we'll remember this answer because I need the space here. So the same thing, now I'm multiplying this number by 82. Now again 82 also I will express as its place values, which this becomes 80 and I will need a 2 over here. So if you see conceptually, it's very clear how you are multiplying each place value. The 300 is being multiplied by the 80 and by 2. Again the 40 has to be multiplied by 80 and by 2. So conceptually this is actually it's a better way of understanding it. Now I will need to add 1 0 here because it's now 80. This becomes 3200 and this will become 80. And I will do the same thing here. So 300 into 2, 600, 40 into 2, 80, 1 into 2, 2. Again, working with zeros, either multiplying or adding minimizes the possibility of making an error. So I just write down all these. I can add these here and then write them here. So this is 24,600, this is 3,280 and this is 82. And then I just go ahead and add these numbers. 8 plus 8, 16, 6 plus 1, 7, plus 2, 9. This is the answer that we had got. Again, one is it is deeper conceptual understanding. I had shared this in an earlier video also. I always like to teach any math concept giving more than one strategy to the students, and then I leave the choice to them. So I will always tell them, if you find the column method easier, use that. However, if you feel like visualizing and doing it like this makes it easier for you, use this method. Again, knowing two strategies, I can cross check my answers if I want to check whether my answer is correct. I will leave maybe a couple of sums here for you to practice and give me your answer in the comments. Again, like I always say, if you are enjoying these strategies that I'm sharing with you, do give me a like, share the video and subscribe to the Mathemagic channel. You can try it with even bigger numbers.